There's a new feature on your TPT store dashboard. Let's talk about it. Hey, if you haven't seen my face before, I am Phoenix and I'm the Tattooed Piano Teacher. I started my TPT store in April of 2023 and I am just about to hit 100 products. Woohoo! So let's talk about a quick chat about what this new feature is, why they added it, how it can help you, and whether or not I'm going to use it and how. First of all, what is it? It is the store ranking. You may have already noticed it on your dashboard. Click on that and you will be given two figures. One is the percentile and one is how many stores you are ahead of. So did I say that right? So currently my percentile is 95%. That means my gross sales for the month of December were higher than 95% of stores on TPT that made a sale that month. Okay, so the higher the percentile, the better. So why did they add this? I actually questioned this myself, so I went into the TPT seller blog, and what I found out was they used to have a public list of the top sellers, which I actually did not know that, but I'm a fairly new seller. They took this down, I guess for obvious reasons, and some people were missing it. They kind of liked to know who was at the top. So they added this instead of the public top list. Now you can just see where you stand. So apparently it was added by popular demand. So how can this feature help you? By the way, if you like TPT related content, hitting that like button will let me know to make more videos like this. Okay, so how can this help you as a teacher author? My best answer is this could help you track progress over the course of months. So the store rating theoretically would change every month depending on how your store is doing, how everyone else's store is doing. So you could track progress if you start at 90% and then you make some changes and 3 months down the road, you're at 92%, then like you did something. Otherwise, I just feel like it's a vanity metric. That was my first thought when I saw it. So am I gonna use this? Well, here's the thing. I am more about concentrating on the actions that I can control rather than the statistics that I can't control. For instance, on YouTube, I would love to have X number of subscribers, but I really have no control over who subscribes. By the way, subscribe. What I do have control over is I make my weekly upload. I reply to people's comments. I take people's recommendations into consideration. I think about what my audience was to see when planning content. I make my videos as good as I can. I curl my hair. Okay, maybe not that one. So does this metric really help me? I don't know. I probably will check it now and again, maybe once a month, I guess. Maybe every couple months. We'll see. I don't think that I would throw a party if it went from 95 to 96, I guess. I mean, who cares? If you're making the money you want to make, who cares how it compares to other people? All right, so let me know in the comments, are you going to be looking at your store ranking? Does it matter to you? Do you feel like it's a vanity metric? Let me know your thoughts. If you want to keep watching, check out this video where I talk about the 5 things that I did that I feel like 5x'd my TPT income in 5 months. And I'll see you there.